3.5. A jet airplane traveling at the speed of 500 km per hour ejects its products of combustion at the speed of 1500 km per hour. Relative to the jet plane, what is the speed of the latter with respect to an observer on the ground? Now, very simple thing. Velocity of jet plane, that is 500 km per hour, and that direction we considered as positive. So velocity of combustion with respect to jet, that is in the opposite direction of the jet, and that is 1500 km per hour. So that is minus 1500 km per hour. Now, as per the equation of relative velocity, velocity of combustion with respect to jet, that is Vc minus Vj. So we can write Vc, that is equal to Vcj plus Vj. Now substitute the values. Vcj, that is minus 1500, and Vj, that is plus 500. So resultantly we can say the velocity of combustion, that is 1000 km per hour, and that is in the opposite direction of the motion of jet plane because it comes to negative. Clear to all of you?